Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best ergonomic keyboards of 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard. The Sculpt Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard by Microsoft is the best option for most prospective buyers. A top pick by Wirecutter and Digital Trends, it has a split design and a nicely cushioned palm rest. A separate number pad is the feature that sets this keyboard apart from all of its competitors. The accessory uses a USB hub for connectivity, and it requires a duo of AAA batteries. 4. Microsoft Surface Ergonomic Keyboard. The Microsoft Surface Ergonomic Keyboard is gorgeous to look at and exceptionally crafted. Its curved metal body and Alcantara palm rest make it feel like a true luxury item, not a desktop peripheral. The Bluetooth keyboard requires two AAA batteries that can last up to a year. It also offers an array of buttons for commonly used Windows 10 tasks. It's important to note that the keyboard is best suited for Windows 10 users. 3. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Split Keyboard. Designed with Mac users in mind, the Kinesis Freestyle 2 ergonomic keyboard can split right down the middle. You can have up to 9 inches of space between the two halves, so you can tailor its layout to your exact liking. The accessory has built-in palm support, tactile key switches, and a duo of built-in USB ports. Of course, as expected from a Mac-friendly keyboard, the Kinesis Freestyle 2 has several shortcut buttons for common macOS tasks. 2. Logitech K350 Wireless Keyboard. The affordably priced Logitech K350 has a wave design and constant curve layout. It utilizes a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, via a USB receiver, and it can work for up to 3 years on a set of AA batteries. Other highlights of the keyboard include a comfy palm rest, as well as a plethora of customizable shortcut buttons. Handy media controls are also among the key features of the Logitech K350. 1. Kinesis Advantage 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. The Kinesis Advantage 2 is a decidedly high-end offering with Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches and a patented contour design for enhanced ergonomics. The accessory requires a wired connection. The splurgeworthy ergonomic keyboard has blue home row keys and smaller function buttons that won't distract you while typing. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac computers.